So in an era of profound changes in the sector of aviation, I believe that every event like Drone Innovator Weekend is very much welcome to bring new ideas, new players into an ecosystem which otherwise would be very static and always with the same kind of players.
What we're trying to do is to foster new partnerships and engage innovators that are not normally part of the discussions about aviation standards, safety, and even regulations.
The 5G that started to be deployed this year. So we are just at the beginning of the 5G era. So some of the key benefits for 5G, for drone specific, could be resource management, like the usage of network slicing, or the high capacity. So before you were not possible to stream 4K video. With 5G you will be able to do that. Not only, you will be able to manage much higher data transmission. The other aspect is also the constant or the availability of low latency, much less erratic than all the other generation.
So huge opportunity in actual fact for significant growth in these types of aerial operations that are going to deliver significant benefits socially, economically, environmentally to our communities. What that does mean is that there's going to have to be significantly different way of thinking to the current mindset that exists around regulatory frameworks to enable these things to be able to operate safely, but also air traffic control systems, air navigation service providers, the approach of organisations such as those to enable this type of flying, which the community is actually going to demand in the future.
I think we'll see a very big push toward digitizing all of the current systems. And what's really great about UTM is we're working right now on a system completely from scratch to create this unmanned traffic system. And at the same time, we have a manned traffic system that is currently in operation. So as we bring these two things together, we'll see a lot of digitization of the current traffic management system to blend with the unmanned traffic management.
I think that it was a great event. We really learned a lot. Talking to the mentors, we realized we had to consider a lot of things that we weren't considering. And we're very excited to see where we go with all of the things we discussed this weekend.
We will need to change in order to adapt and step forward into that future. These kind of activities, as the IATA drone weekends, are a great opportunity just to do brainstorming on all of these ideas, on all of these needs, gaps identified.